Oh yeah, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm happy to have you all here. If you're new to this channel, we regularly share useful apps that help you add extra security to your internet connection while browsing online. In today's video, I'm going to introduce a VPN app that helps secure your online connection and adds an extra layer of protection. This app is available on the Google Play Store. To get started, open your Google Play Store and search for Big Boss VPN. From the search results, make sure you select the correct app by checking the app name and icon, then install it on your device. After the installation is complete, tap on Open. The app will take you to its home screen where the setup begins. Once you're on the interface, tap on the Update button. When prompted, select Online Update. This step is important because it allows the app to update its resources and provide a faster and more secure connection. Next, you'll need to choose a server. You can select any available server, but I recommend choosing Auto Server. This option allows the app to automatically connect you to the best working server based on your location. After that, select your country from the list. For this example, a country is selected, but if you don't see your country, you can search for it using the search bar. If your country is still not available, you can use the All Country option, which works in most cases. Once everything is set, tap on the Start button. The app will connect, and your internet connection will be secured. That's how you can set up Big Boss VPN using your country settings to get a fast and secure connection while online. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. See you in the next video.